These majestic machines produce clean energy, create jobs, and benefit local economies and communities. But how does a wind farm go from an idea into an operational project? Construction of a wind farm is much like building a home. The entire process typically takes about 1 year from the start of construction to project operation. Although the exact timeline and process can vary based on total project size, model type, and number of turbines, the terrain, and weather conditions. As you can imagine, a lot goes into building a wind farm, but the process always includes these 10 steps. Before any construction begins, our safety team builds a custom, comprehensive plan to keep our employees in the local community safe. In addition to project-specific safety plans, a wind farm construction site typically implements reduced speeds on project roads, dust control measures on gravel roads, signage warning about construction activities, power lines, equipment, and turbine delivery vehicles, and construction site lighting for any after-dark work. After the safety plan has been created and communicated, public roadway improvements can begin. These upgrades not only make local roads accessible for large construction and hauling trucks, but also benefit community members long after construction is complete. This road work includes construction of access roads to each turbine site. These gravel roads are built with landowner and farmer input and are often useful for farming and project operations once the turbines are complete. In order to connect turbines to the electrical substations which deliver power into the electricity grid, new underground cabling is laid and the construction of the substation begins. To make room, dirt is moved and shaped to prepare the foundation sites. Then the foundations are poured. Foundations are usually about 60 feet in diameter and include rebar and concrete. These solid foundations will ensure stability throughout the life of the project. Once the foundations are complete, the tower sections can go up. Crane pads are used to minimize compaction as cranes are transported across the land, and based on their lease agreement, landowners may be compensated for crops damaged during construction. The nacelle houses all the turbine controls and most machinery and is lifted to the top of the erected tower. Depending on the turbine model, the hub may be lifted simultaneously or be lifted and installed separately. The final step of construction is to fly the blades into place. Some turbines require the blades to be lifted as single blades, requiring 3 lifts per turbine, while other turbine models require blades to be lifted as a set of 3, requiring only 1 lift per turbine. At the completion of construction, the project site is restored and revegetated. Before operations can begin, all aspects of the construction materials and workmanship are tested to ensure the project is safe for workers, landowners, and local communities. The Geronimo Power team brings our experience and expertise to every clean energy project, building safe, economically beneficial wind farms that are good neighbors to their host communities. It's all part of our vision to power America's future. Learn more at geronimopower.com.